Thunkable X mobile app development platform review, usage experience. Welcome to this review of Thunkable X, a no-code mobile app development platform designed to bring your app ideas to life. If you're looking to create a functional and visually appealing app without diving into complex coding, Thunkable might be the tool for you. Links to Thunkable and related resources are provided in the description below, so feel free to check them out after this video. Thunkable X is a cross-platform app builder, meaning you can design apps for both Android and iOS simultaneously. It features an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that simplifies app creation by allowing users to stack components and logic blocks visually, much like building with Lego. Whether you're creating simple apps for personal use, educational tools, or even commercial apps, Thunkable's versatility caters to a range of developers, from absolute beginners to educators and small businesses. One standout feature is the ability to preview changes in real time using the Thunkable Live app. This saves enormous amounts of time, as you can test functionality directly on your mobile device without repeatedly uploading builds. Additionally, the platform supports integrations with third-party APIs and services, allowing for advanced app features such as real-time data updates, GPS tracking, and payment processing. It also includes a responsive design mode, ensuring your app works well across different devices and screen sizes. Thunkable's pricing is competitive, offering a free tier with basic features, while the Pro subscription unlocks advanced capabilities like custom branding and unlimited projects. It's ideal for students, educators, entrepreneurs, and hobbyists who need to get an app up and running quickly without learning complex programming languages. However, it's worth noting that while Thunkable excels at simplicity, it may lack the deep customization available in traditional coding. For highly complex or resource-intensive apps, you might need to look at alternative platforms. Overall, Thunkable X offers an excellent blend of simplicity and power, making it a go-to choice for app creators seeking efficiency and accessibility. If this sounds like the tool for you, be sure to explore the links in the description and start building today.